Hello, welcome back to e-commerce lecture series, lecture 2, part 1, Introduction to E-commerce Business Models. E-commerce is rapidly growing industry, with businesses all sizes leveraging online platform to reach customer and deliver products and services. A business model is a foundation that defines how a company creates, delivers, and capture values in e-commerce space. This lecture will provide an introduction to the key elements of e-commerce business models, including target customer, revenue generation, and product services delivery. Understanding the core components of e-commerce business model is crucial for entrepreneurs and business leaders looking to succeed in the digital marketplace. We will explore real-world examples and best practices to help you develop a robust e-commerce strategy for your organization. So the first question is, why are business models important in e-commerce? A strong business model is a foundation for successful e-commerce venture. It provides a clear roadmap for achieving profitability and growth. The business model helps identify your competitive edge in the crowded market. It ensures you understand your unique value proposition and how to differentiate from competitors. Aligning your business model with customer needs is crucial. This helps ensure your organizational goals and strategies are focused on delivering value to your target audience. So, why are business models important in e-commerce? 3 reasons. Number 1, they provide a clear roadmap for achieving profitability and growth. Number 2, help business identify their competitive edge in a crowded market. And number 3, ensure alignment between customer needs and organizational goals. So now we look at major e-commerce business models. The major e-commerce business models are B2C, B2B, C2C, and D2C. B2C refers to businesses selling directly to consumers online. B2B involves transactions between businesses such as wholesale or business services. C2C allows the consumer to buy and sell directly from each other using an online marketplace. D2C is when manufacturers or producers sell directly to consumers bypassing traditional retail channel. These different models represent the key ways companies can structure their e-commerce operations. Understanding the characteristics and advantages of each model is crucial for developing an effective e-commerce strategy. Now we look at B2C in details, right? B2C means business to consumer models. The B2C or business to consumer model is the most common e-commerce approach. In this model, businesses sell products or services directly to individual consumers through online platforms like websites or apps. This allows for wider consumer reach from individual shoppers to entire households. The direct sales to consumer is the key defining characteristic of the B2C models. So this is the most e-commerce model, most common e-commerce model, and mainly on the online platforms, website and apps for retailers, and wide consumer reach from individual shopper to household. The most some example of B2C business model, you see Amazon, you see Shopee, right? Amazon is a well-known e-commerce platform that sells a wide range of products, from books to electronics directly to individual consumers. Shopee is a leading e-commerce platform focused on selling consumer goods to individual consumers, customers across Southeast Asia. Both of these companies have successfully built B2C business to consumer models to reach and serve their target markets. The diverse product offerings and convenient online shopping experiences provided by these platforms have made them popular choices for individual consumers. The B2C key features. The key features we are highlighting for our B2C business are personalized experiences, convenient delivery, and digital marketing. Personalized shopping experiences are crucial for engaging customers and driving sales. We use customer data and AI-powered recommendation to provide a tailored experience. Offering a wide product range and flexible delivery option makes it easier for customers to get what they need. Faster, reliable shipping is a major competitive advantage. Digital marketing like search engine optimization, SEO, and social media campaigns help us reach new customers and stay top of mind. These channels allow us to cost-effectively promote our products and brands. Overall, these features create a seamless, customer-centric experience that sets us apart in the market. So the three key B2C features like includes personalized experiences, convenience, delivery, and digital marketing. B2C business model, e-business model challenges include intense competition and customer expectations. Right? The e-commerce market is highly competitive with many platforms vying for customers. Customers have high expectations around delivery times, product quality, and overall shopping experience. As an e-commerce manager, you need to stay on top of the competition and continuously work to exceed customer expectations. Analyzing competitor websites and strategy can help you identify areas to improve and differentiate your offering. Maintaining a professional, organized office environment can also help you stay focused on these key challenges. Now we move to the second e-commerce business model, B2B, right? B2B. B2B means a business to business model. The B2B model involves a transaction between businesses rather than directly with consumers. It focuses on wholesale trade and services that support another business operations. This includes providing specialized tools, platforms, and solutions to address the unique needs of other businesses. The key aspects are wholesale transaction, support services, and business-focused solution. The B2B model is distinct from the B2C. They are totally different from B2C business to consumers model, which involves selling directly to individual consumers. So, in short, the B2B business model includes a wholesale transaction and lots of support services and provide business solution. Some of the B2B examples includes most outstanding Alibaba. Alibaba is a leading B2B platform that facilitates bulk purchasing and connection between suppliers and buyers. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools and features to help sellers effectively reach and serve their business customers. SAP Ariba is a cloud-based procurement solution that helps businesses streamline their purchasing processes and manage supplier relationships. SAP Ariba offers a range of capabilities from sourcing and contracting to invoicing and payment to support the full procurement life cycle. Both Alibaba and SAP Ariba are examples of successful B2B platforms that are transforming how businesses connect, transact, and collaborate with each other. Some key features of B2B includes bulk orders, long-term relationships, and advanced logistics, right? So bulk orders are the key features for our B2B customer, allowing them to purchase large volumes at negotiated pricing. Our B2B relationships are long-term, with customer placing repeat orders over an extended period. We offer advanced logistic and inventory management capabilities to efficiently fulfill and deliver B2B orders. Some B2B challenges include trust and reliability, complex decision making. So maintaining trust and reliability is crucial in bulk B2B transactions, where large sums of money and goods are involved. Buyers often have complex decision-making processes with multiple stakeholders and decision points to navigate. As a vendor, it's important to understand these complexities and work closely with the buyers to ensure a smooth, transparent process. Now we look at number 3, the third e-business model is a C2C or consumer-to-consumer model. The C2C or consumer-to-consumer model allows everyday people to buy and sell directly to each other facilitated by online marketplace platforms. There are three key aspects to the C2C model: peer-to-peer commerce, direct exchange between consumers without intermediaries; marketplace platforms, online platforms that facilitate this transaction; second-hand goods. The model often involves the sale of used or pre-owned items. The key benefit of C2C model is that it enables regular consumers to engage in consumer and trade with each other rather than just buying from businesses. This creates more opportunities for people who earn money by selling their own goods and find deals on used items they need, right? So C2C, consumer to consumer, basically focus on peer-to-peer commerce, and also facilitated by online marketplaces and often involves used items. We will look at some outstanding or most popular C2C example. eBay is a well-known global platform that enables consumer-to-consumer sales, allowing individuals to buy and sell a wide range of products. Facebook Marketplace is more localized platform that facilitates a transaction between individuals within the same community or geographic area. Both eBay and Facebook Marketplace provide convenient channels for consumers to engage in peer-to-peer e-commerce, whether it's selling unwanted items or finding unique products. This example demonstrates the growing trend of consumer-to-consumer C2C sales, which empowers individuals to participate in the buying and selling processes directly with one another. We will look at some key features of C2C, including P2P, peer-to-peer transaction, and second-hand or used goods, and also number 3 features is platform support. So peer-to-peer transaction at the heart of C2C models, where individuals buy and sell directly to one another. The focus is typically on used or second-hand goods, which can offer great value to buyers. The platform provides key support, handling payment processing, and dispute resolution to facilitate a smooth transaction between buyers and sellers. Some C2C challenges, including the description, trust issue, and limited scalabilities, right? So peer-to-peer transaction between individuals can create trust issues between buyers and sellers. Customers may be hesitant to engage in C2C transaction due to the concern about the reliability and legitimacy of the other party. Compared to larger scale B2B and B2C models, C2C platforms tend to have more limited scalability and can face challenges in handling larger transaction volumes. These limitations in trust and scalability are key challenges that C2C platforms need to address to facilitate smooth and reliable transactions between individuals, buyers and sellers. Now we look at number 4, the Ebusiness model. For the fourth Ebusiness model, D2C, direct-to-consumer model. D2C or direct-to-consumer model is a business strategy where manufacturers or producers sell their products directly to consumers without going through traditional retail channels. This allows the brand to have their complete control over their messaging and how they engage with customers. It also enables them to collect valuable first-party data and insight about their consumers. The key benefit of D2C model are by passing retail, maintaining brand control, building direct-to-consumer relationships, and gathering customer data. These factors give D2C brands more flexibility and a closer connection with their end consumer. So D2C or direct-to-consumer model, direct manufacturer sale by passing traditional retail, and they can have the brand control complete over the control of the message and direct engagement with end users, and also first-party customer insight. We will look at some D2C examples. Include Nike is a great example of successful D2C direct-to-consumer business model. Nike uses their own website to sell shoes, apparel, and other products directly to consumer, cutting out the middleman. Warby Parker is another well-known D2C brand. They sell eyeglasses and other vision products directly to consumers online, providing a convenient and affordable alternative to traditional retail. Both of these companies have been able to build strong direct relationship with their customer by controlling the entire sales process from product development to order fulfillment. This gives them more flexibilities and better data insight and higher profit margin compared to a traditional wholesale retail model. We will look at some D2C key features and challenges. D2C or direct-to-consumer offers several key advantages, including greater control over branding and the customer experience, elimination of intermediaries, reduce cost, and the ability to engage directly with customers to collect valuable data. However, D2C also presents some significant challenges. Businesses need to manage logistics and customer service without the support of intermediaries. They also need to build strong brand trust in highly competitive markets. It's critical to get balance right between the benefits and challenges of the D2C model. Careful planning and execution is required to capitalize on the upside while mitigating the downsides. So the question is, why are these models unique to e-commerce? Online presence allows 24 hours, 7 days a week, 24/7 availability for customers to shop and engage with the businesses. Data analytics enable personalized experiences and predictive insights to better serve customers. Global reach with minimal physical infrastructure opens up new markets and customer segments. These digital capabilities fundamentally differentiate e-commerce models from traditional retail. They unlock new business opportunities and value proposition not possible with physical only operation. So we have some case studies, success stories, and interactive question here, right? Amazon started an online bookstore and has grown into the largest global online retailers. They use dynamic pricing, advanced logistics, and AI-powered recommendation to drive their success. Alibaba focuses on connecting global suppliers with buyers and offer tools like trade assurance to secure transaction. And the rise of D2C business like Nike and Warby Parker is due to their ability to interact directly with customers, control the brand's narratives, reduce costs, and collect valuable customer data. D2C allows these business companies to be more nimble and responsive to customer needs in the digital age. So we have Amazon case study, we have Alibaba B2B case study, and now we have a question: why do you think D2C business like Nike or Warby Parker are becoming more popular in the digital age? So we know that D2C businesses are growing because they can interact directly with customer, control the brand's narrative, reduce costs by bypassing intermediaries, and collect valuable customer data for future marketing and product development. So that's the end of part 1 of lecture 2, e-business model. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.